This is your front interventricular groove, and then your coronary groove or sulcus, whatever you want to call it. You know that's your back because it has this cut. So you're looking at the front. So this would be your right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium. So your blood has to flow from the superior and inferior vena cava, which are going to be about there, but they're kind of off. So if you open it up, you could see that this side is a lot smaller than this side. So that's how you know that this is going to be your right ventricle and this is going to be your left ventricle. So it's going to flow from the superior and inferior vena cava into the right atrium, flow through the tricuspid valve and into the right ventricle, which is here. Then it's going to flow from there and in through the, now this is where it's going to get kind of hard to see. It's going to flow from there into the pulmonary trunk through the semilunar pulmonary valve. So that's your aortic trunk, or your pulmonary trunk, my bad, right there, which is going to be right through there. You can see that.
Yep.
Then it's going to come in through your 4 pulmonary veins. I'm sorry, this heart is so out of whack. Which are going to come in 2 here, 2 on the other 2 on the side. And they're going to flow in to your left atrium. So somewhere in here. So you can kind of see.
Okay.
I'm going to flip it over. So we're on the dorsal side now. So there, 2 of these are about here, and this should be another one. They're going to flow through the bicuspid valve and into the left ventricle, and then that's going to pump through the semilunar aortic valve and into the aorta.
Okay. Woo.
That should be about it.
Where is the apex?
The apex. You want me to say that all that stuff on here? Okay, so this would be your apex, and this would be your base, because it's completely opposite from the apex. Also, if you want to know these are your coordinate tendonae that look like guitar strings, and then those are your cusps, and then here are your papillary muscles. So when the blood flows through here, and then it stops flowing, and the ventricle contracts and forces the blood through into the through the aortic semilunar valve, that valve will open and these will close because the blood will rush up around this cusp, and the coordinate tendonae will attach the cusps to the papillary muscles, which will pull the flap closed.
Yay.